project. In this video, we want to share our learning experience from the grammar in spoken discourse class. This class was different from our previous grammar classes because it focused on how people speak in real communication, not just grammar rules in writing.
At first, we thought spoken grammar was easy. We believed it was just the same as written grammar but spoken out loud. However, after learning more, we realized that spoken language has many special features that we usually do not notice when we talk every day.
For our project, we made a poster based on one of the topics we learned. During the process, we faced challenges, learned new things, and improved our understanding of spoken grammar.
When the project was introduced, we felt excited but also nervous. We liked creative work, but we were not sure how to explain spoken grammar clearly. Because spoken grammar happens naturally, turning it into an academic explanation felt difficult. We also doubted our understanding. Sometimes, we were unsure if really understood how spoken grammar works in real communication. These doubts motivated us to study more carefully, so we didn't miss important points.
One challenge was organizing the information. Spoken grammar has many small but meaningful parts, and putting them into a poster required us to choose carefully. We needed to pick the most important points, choose good examples, and make everything simple but correct.
Another challenge was confidence, especially when practicing the presentation. We were nervous because we were afraid of choosing the wrong explanation or incorrect examples. We also struggled when designing the poster. We had a clear idea in our minds, but when we tried to create it, the result looked very different from what we expected. So we had to rethink the elements and make a quick adjustment to improve it. To solve these problems, we discussed unclear parts together. We divided the tasks so each other person worked on one section. We practiced, corrected each other, and supported one another. Slowly, we became more confident and understood the material better.
Even though we tried our best, we made a mistake in the last part of the material. Our explanation was too general. Instead of focusing on the specific function and pattern, we explained it too broadly, which was not what the lecturer expected.
After presenting, we checked our material again and we realized that we need to give more details. This experience taught us to be more careful, avoid guessing, and always confirm information before presenting it.
During our presentation, we used simple daily examples to show how the grammar feature appears naturally in conversation. We also used sequencing expressions like first, next, and finally to make the explanation clearer and more organized.
So first thing first, what for the next? I'm going next is how to speak.
While speaking, we tried to use clear intonation, natural passes, and simple words. Preparing the script helped us to understand the importance of adjusting our speaking style depending on the audience and the context.
From this project, we learned that spoken grammar is not only about correct sentences, but also about meaning and interaction. We now notice how people speak in real time, respond to each other, and keep a conversation going.
We also improved our presentation skills. We practiced choosing examples, organizing ideas, and speaking with more confidence. Working together helped us reduce anxiety and understand the topic more deeply.
Finishing this digital storytelling project helped us to understand spoken grammar in a more practical way. Through challenges, mistakes, group discussion, and practice, we learned how to identify spoken grammar features and use them in real communication.
This project also improved our teamwork, preparation, and presentation skills. Overall, this experience made us more aware of how speakers make choices and how those choices affect the flow of conversation.